Here are 5 tips to help you save energy all year long. According to experts, the 4th most popular home repair project, replacing windows and doors, can dramatically reduce monthly energy costs. When it comes to making more energy-efficient choices, however, buyers may be overwhelmed by the avalanche of technology, terminology, and product options available today. When faced with a wide range of options, homeowners must be well informed. This is becoming increasingly critical as energy prices climb. According to the EPA's Energy Star program, replacing single-pane windows with Energy Star qualified windows can save a typical home anywhere from $125 to $340 per year. We've produced a list of our top 5 suggestions for the most energy-efficient windows and doors because it's that time of year when many homeowners start home renovation projects. Low-E glass should be used. Low-E glass windows assist to keep your home warm in the winter by reducing the amount of heat that escapes through the window. The Low-E glass option for gelled many once-clad wood and wood-clad vinyl window lines has now become standard across the board. Technological advancements. To better endure both cold and hot weather, upgrade your windows from single-pane to dual-pane types. Residential energy costs will be reduced by using both Low-E and insulating glass units. Consider how the product is made. Choose doors with energy-efficient cores, sills, and frames that work as insulators. Low-E glass ensures that the windows are both weatherproof and energy-efficient. Polished iron-coated steel doors, for example, have been demonstrated to hold their energy ratings longer than polyurethane-coated steel doors. Make sure you're following all of the rules. The U factor of an efficiency rating is based on the amount of heat that flows through it. Generally speaking, products having a lower U factor are more efficient. Another technique to estimate efficiency is to use the solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC), which quantifies the ability to block the sun's heat. The value decreases as the SHGC improves. Finally, professionals measure visible light transmission, which is the proportion of sunlight that may flow through a window or door VLT. The larger the percentage of light transmission, the better. Don't be concerned by the gimmicks. Efficiency can take numerous forms for each company. No matter what technology is utilized, Energy Star labels offer a simple way to locate the most energy-efficient thing.